Mr. Pereira, who is an investor in the stock market, invest 40,000 rupees to buy shares of a company at the market price of 80 rupees per share. The company pays annual dividends of 6 rupees per share. Find the number of shares Mr. Pereira buys. His invested amount is 40,000 rupees and market price of a share 80 rupees. We know that when getting shares, we can divide invested amount by market price to obtain the number of shares. Then we can get number of shares 40,000 divided by 80. We can cancel out 0 and 0. 40 divided by 85, 0, 0. 500 shares. Then part 2, find the annual dividend income Mr. Pereira received. When finding annual dividend income, we have to multiply dividend income per share by number of shares. We have found number of shares 500. We have to multiply by annual dividend income per share 6 rupees. Then we can multiply it. There are 2 zeros we can put at the end of the answer. 6 into 5, 30, 3,000 rupees. Then part 3, after 1 year, Mr. Pereira sells all shares and makes a capital gain of 3,500 rupees. Find the selling price of a share. Capital gain is 3,500. It means total selling price should be 3,500 greater than his buying price. Buying price is 40,000. Then total selling price should be 43,500 because of we have to get value 3,500 greater than 40,000 as the selling price because of there is a capital gain. Then we can find the selling price of a share. 43,500 is the total selling price. We have to divide by number of shares to obtain the selling price of a share. Then we can cancel out 2 zeros. 43 divided by 5, 8. 3 remaining. 35 divided by 5, 7. 87 rupees. It is the selling price of a share. Mr. Pereira adds 3,500 rupees to the capital gain and dividend income he received and deposit the total amount for a period of 2 years in a fixed deposit account which pays an annual compound interest of 10%. Find the total amount in the account at the end of the 2 years. We know that his dividend income is 3,000 rupees and capital gain 3,500 rupees. Therefore, total deposited amount 3,000 plus 3,500 capital gain plus and another 3,500. We can add these three values and we can obtain 10,000 is the deposited amount. It is amount for the first year. Then we can find interest for the first year. When finding interest for the first year, we have to multiply 10,000 by 10%. We can cancel out 2 zeros, 1,000 rupees. It is interest for the first year. Then we can calculate amount for the second year. When calculating amount for the second year, we have to add 10,000 and interest for the first year 1,000. It is 11,000. Then we can calculate interest for the second year. We have to multiply 11,000 by 10% to get the interest for the second year. Now it is 1,100 rupees. Then total amount in the bank account, should be 11,000 plus, it is the amount for the second year. We have to add this interest for it, 1100 rupees. It is 12,100 rupees.